me back again. Thursday. Day off work, so I'm going up allotment in a bit, just having a brew. It's only about 5:30. Talking quiet because everybody's in bed. Just have a look at this pond before we go. There we go. All but clear. Let's look in that pump. Okay. I've got another little pump off Joe next door as well, so this frog's looking there as well. So, welcome. Right. Breeze and allotment. Magic that doorway, innit? If he's here. Little smasher. Henry's just gone to turn it hose on. Because what I've done, we've got these barrels from this left of plot up top, so they said we can take some stuff off. So we've got these 2 barrels, proper size. I've just cut a neck out there so it fits in. And then what I've done is these other 2, I put them inside here. So they, hang on. Sorry, hose was on. Just filling these butts now. I know it's going to rain at weekend, but these filling anyway. Yeah, so then we'll run into there then, and then we'll go put a pipe out of there into these, so it fills these as well. So we've got water inside, and I've got the option to set a watering system up because we've got 2 taps here, and we've got a fall on that. So we'll see. Look at that tobacco. Dooming. We'll have a look in a minute. We'll just sort this out. Brew. "21st century Henry." Always on that phone, then. I'm just going to have to sort of drill bit out for. Oh, I've got one, haven't I? I'm just filling them up now. Basically, all I've done, I took that twaddler, can't remember what it is, heated it up and poured the holes through. And I've just put a pipe from there through the plastic into that tub. So now when that's full up, it should fill that one. Don't same with this side. So that's nearly full now, so we'll see if it's working in a minute. And now, once these are topped up with water, once these are topped up with water, we'll keep them fully topped. We'll have water inside now. I might do the same with that one. We've got a water butt up back there that could fill into here. I'll just put a pipe through. Anyway, that's another job. Leave that in there and we'll make a brew. And there you go. So that tub's full now. I'm just filling that one. So, melting. That works. Do the same with that one in a minute. I'll turn that water off. Tell you what's warm today. It's got me 20 odd degrees now. Oh, Michael's been on. Nobody touched that joint anyway, what we put on. There's all on here today. They've all gone home. Right, just wrap that up. That's some water tanks done. Next job, brew. Lovely up here at this time of year. Everything growing. You know, that salt sorted them weeds out though, isn't it? Most of them. Done the horse's tail. That was WD-40 for the horse's tail. So it does work. Yeah, it's killing it off. Everything was squirt in a minute. Won't get them onions out in a bit. We'll try to get some more veg from Paul Green. Some purple sprouting ready for next year. And then some more cabbage and that. Just got filled beds where we take all the onions out. So I'll get them out in a bit, but I'm just going to tidy up in here first. Need some work put that. Probably go in this corner here. I'll have a look. There you go. Adds that water tank anyway. Belting. Still get round there for the pot up. Go and do your clock off Ken too. Ken's missus was having a tidy up. It's plastic. And with no room for a clock in here, so it's alright there. Take time on the garden and as we don't want no time like that. Not bothered when I come on here. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, tripping. I've just feathered that horse all the way out back there now. So it's here. So we can just roll it up here and we can reach all that plot from here. Couldn't before because it was going down there and down. But now it's straight down here, so we'll get round all corners of the plot. We'll look at our pumpkin. See, ooh, looking alright that. It's alright. Yeah, it's coming on. Need that on a piece of polystyrene now, so it doesn't rot out. That one, oh, that one's come off. That's rotten, see. That one's no good. Well, that one is. But that, if you can see, we've got two on there. You know what, one on there, but I'll leave it for a bit and that grows a bit bigger. I'll cut that second one off. We've got another one there. Just touching something. See, that's touching that wood. It's scared it. It'll be alright. Yeah, I'll get a piece of polystyrene and sit there on it. Just a piece of polystyrene underneath it. And it holds it off that ground. So we've got loads of flowers coming on. Be some more pumpkins coming on there. Anyway, oh, there's them figs. Oh yeah, they're looking alright. Nice and soft. I don't know how they're supposed to feel. Soft or hard. Just juicy. Look it anyway. Polystyrene. So I found some net in there. What I'm going to do is lift all these now and lie them on there, let them dry out for a couple of days. Well, not lie them on ground, but I can put them over here because these carrots are not cuke. So I was running out of beetroot there, so I'll just put them over this side. Them glow can stop in, obviously. But I'll take everything else out, even garlic, because garlic's gone to seed. I'll get them out, see what we've got. Boom, there you go. A bounty. Stinks of onions in here. Huh? There's a row at bottom going that way, lying that way. Then there's a row at top lying that way. And we've got all our red ones there. Garlic there. They're all going that way, some decent sized ones as well. And then a few going that way. And then that garlic at end under there. We'll just let that dry out for a few days and then we can start platting them into and French things, onion plats, melting. So I'll give it a good weed in here in a minute, and then we're ready again. Second round. This tobacco's doing brilliant now, it's got old. And they've stopped being eaten up there now, so it's got pea pods on there as well. And in here we've got prime specimen. There you go, exhibit A. Just decent cucumber. There's another one. So, need some ripe tomatoes now. So we've got plenty of tomatoes on. And they're getting fattening up now, so there's tomatoes everywhere. That's that beef one. Marmite. There's another beef one. Melted. All looking good. No pepper flowers yet. Yeah, cucumber. Loads of tomatoes on that side. Every plant's full of them. All looking nice and healthy. You're doing a good job, Henry. He's not a bad gardener, that lad. Don't have crap gardeners on here, we don't. Unless it's up in tea. That one's not got nothing on it yet. Oh, yeah, it is. Little baby on there, or two. Melted. I'll put some string round on in a minute. Where it is. Just going round these tomatoes now. There's absolutely hundreds in here, but look at this. Never seen nothing like that, have you? That's not the light. That leaf straight down the middle is turning light green. And that one's the same, you see? Straight down the middle. That's weird, isn't it? I don't know what that is. Alicante. Weird that. The rest of the leaves look okay. Mad. We have got some flowers coming on these. I've been checking. All coming on that banana one. Some coming on that berry aster. Not checked these. Yeah, that's got a load there in the middle. And that one has a little tie dragon, that, and a little diddy ones on. And tomatoes at back there. What's that one? Can't read it. Money maker. Making its money there, isn't it? Stay that back. Yeah. Belted. Just tomatoes everywhere. Love it. And every plant's looking healthy as anything. No leaf curl. No nothing. Look at the size of them leaves. It's all looking healthy in here. I like these leaves, me. They're nice, aren't they? That loofah. I'm thinking that that's a loofah there. Where is it? There. Where are we? Zoom in. There. See it? Where are we? There. Doot doot. What do you reckon? He's a bit naughty, but I think that's a loofah. What was I doing then? Brew. I think that's my brew done. So tomorrow with Henry, get the rest of these onions out. These are whoppers in here. Them buggers. Get the rest of them out. And shallots are not ready yet. Also, it's Sunday and me and Shirley's off this week, so we're having a Sunday dinner at home. So I'll be having one of them broccoli off, definitely. What size of them? Well, I think that'll do us for a meal, that one. With our Sunday dinner. I'll have one of these bounty cabbage off as well. There's a couple of them's alright. No cauliflower as yet, I don't think. No cauliflower action. I don't know what's going on there. But this time, yeah, and I got some carrots last week, so there's a couple of them turnips left. I'll take a couple of them turnips. Or I'll take some peas as well. In fact, I'll get some pea pods off in a bit. Oh, I've got that as well off that plot up there. Some brand new featherboard. Nice 6 foot long pieces. It's got nails in, but they'll come out. So I can finish off around here. Things like that with it. When I'm bored. Yeah, let's get that brew. Meat. That's about all she wrote up here this morning. It's just gone 10 o'clock. Been up here since 5:30. No, 6:30. 6:30. So we'll go on there, see how clear that pond is. Now it's a bit lighter. Got roots on that sweet corn. That's how it anchors into the ground so well. Looking okay. Tony's is a bit taller though. That's about same height. Once them feathers are out. But we got these off Tony, if you remember. So it should be the same lot. Excuse me. Coffee again. No ears on yet. Start coming out of here somewhere. So, looking okay though. Looking belting. Right. Got colour there. Them foxgloves up here are magnificent. They're right. They've got to be nearly 7 foot tall then. What I'm going to do is collect all seeds off them. And we'll get some more plants. We'll fill this one with it next year as well. Get rid of all them weeds. Because underneath there's no weeds if you look. Nowhere from grow. It's full of foxgloves. So we'll have them both same next year. There's a spud in there, look. You can get a meal out of our flower beds. I'm going to go take a turnip as well Sunday. Perfect with carrots. A couple of decent sized ones in there, so. Right, I'm going to lock up and then go back to the house and see what that pond like. See what that pond's like. Sorry. All been watered. Right, see you in a bit. Back home. Oh, kettle's on. This is just coming alive, this archway now. Look at that. These foxgloves are not doing bad up here. It was about 6 foot tall. Yeah, let's have a gander. That's up. How's that? Bit clear, isn't it? See all over there at bottom. There's still a little bit of green left in that water, but hopefully. He said it'll take 2 weeks for that filter to start off proper, so hopefully it's nearly there. But you can see them a lot better anyway. 14 flowers on that, 14 pads on that lily now. There's 2 more coming up I can see. It's just flying up that. I think it's because that oxygen's outside of it there. whatever it is, it's loving it. Yeah, looking happy enough now then, fishing there, so sick of eating strawberries off there. And everything else up here is much the same. All that blue clematis has come out there on top of the pond, and on there as well. So it's just started taking off now against that old clematis frame. It should just ramble over there now, head over that pond this year hopefully. Anyway, just want to see if that kettle's boiled. See you later.